How to hide decimals from your Shopify prices. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. So the first obvious option is going to be to go to your product and changing the price without any decimals if you want to. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to basically just remove the decimals from people's eyes, what you can do is just go to settings from your main dashboard, click on settings, and stay in the general. Just scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find the store defaults. This is going to be where you want to be, and you should be able to find currency display. Click on the three dots right next to it and click on change currency formatting. Now you should be able to find something like this. Now obviously the currency is going to be a little bit different for you depending on your location, but you should all find this amount for all four of them. So what you want to do is just click right in front of the amount text and do underscore no underscore decimals. Just make sure you type it correctly like so. Just do it once and you can just copy and paste it to the rest of them, just so you know it's going to be easier for you. So you want to do this for all four of them, and it should basically now remove all the decimals from your Shopify store, and it should be good to go. Click on save, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now if you had a product with decimals, it should actually go away. So I think I did have a specific product. I think the headset or the microphone, it did actually have decimals. So if I can just find it. Yeah, anyway, it did actually remove it for me. I think it was either the microphone or headset. All of these are tests anyway, so it just removed it from the product, as you can see. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.